I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today it's time for another fall treat. I'm going to make an apple crumble in my cast iron. I'm going to use 4 or 5 nice big apples. These are McIntosh. I like using these the best for baking, but you can use some other varieties as well. This is just my favorite. But I'm going to get these peeled and cored, and then you'll see what comes next. Okay, for the next part, so I have my apples all sliced up. I put them in a gallon Ziploc baggie. This is the same trick that I use for my apple pie. This is very similar in recipe. Quarter cup of sugar, a couple large tablespoons of flour, juice of a lemon. Oh, I love the smell. Love the smell of fresh lemons. And cinnamon, as much or as little as you like. I like a lot. And then we're going to give it a good shake, get it all coated, and turn it into my pan. So I have a little cooking spray in my pan. Look at that. Even it out. And then we'll make our crumble topping. Okay, for the topping part, a cup of flour and a quarter of oats and half cup of brown sugar, more cinnamon to taste, just a little bit, make like a teaspoon, and a cup of chopped walnuts. You can use other kind of nuts if you want to. I'm going to mix this around a little bit, get this all incorporated. There we go. And then we're going to add in a whole stick of butter. And what we're going to do with that is work it in with my pastry cutter here. We're just going to shave that off into pieces. And we're going to work this till it's pea-sized. And you want the butter cold, otherwise it'll just stick and be a mess. Okay, we've got it worked in. You can see what it looks like, all crumbly. And all we're going to do is spread that over our apple mixture. Okay, and now we're just going to put her in the oven at 350. So it's still warm out of the oven, and you guys know what comes next. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yummy. Little crunch. And we'll throw a little vanilla ice cream on there. Here it is, all done. The ice cream and all. So let's try it. It's still warm. This is really good with the nuts in it too. It gives it a really nice crunch along with the oatmeal. A little bit. It's really good. So this is very simple apple crumble, or apple crisp, probably more crisp. I like it with the oatmeal and the nuts. Wyatt when able, Get your heart out. It's good. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.